Standard 1 Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrunal More and today I am going to tell you an interesting story. Before we start with our story, let's take a look on some pictures. Here is the first picture. What is the picture of? Yes, very good. It is of a pencil. You use pencil to write, to draw. Yes or no? Yes. Here is the next picture of color pencils. The first picture we saw of pencil. Can you tell me what is the difference between a pencil and color pencils? Yes, very good. Pencil is used for writing and drawing and color pencils are used for coloring, and we have color pencil in different colors. So, our topic for today is colored pencils. First, let's read the story. First, I will read, then you repeat after me. Let's start. Colored pencils. The children are in class. They can count pencils. Anoop has 2 pencils. Chetana has 1 pencil. Karan has 9 pencils. Karan has many pencils. Anoop and Chetana are sad. They have fewer pencils. Karan has more pencils. Karan gives Anoop 2 pencils. He gives Chetana 3 pencils. Now all children have 4 pencils each. We read the story. Now let's see the new words from the story. The first new word is count. Count means action done to know a particular number of anything. As you can see in the first video, the counting of fingers, and in the second video, the counting of money. So, that is what is called count. The next word is fewer, means little or less in number. As you can see in the picture where the arrows are pointing, there the number of fruits are less than compared to the other side. So, fewer means less. Here is the next word, more. More means greater in number than other. In this picture, you can see the arrows are pointing to the number of fruits which are more than the other. We saw the new words. Now, let's make sentences from these words. The first word is count. The sentence I have made is, Ria counts the apples in the basket. The second word is fewer. Sentence is, Adi has fewer chocolates. The last word is more, and the sentence I have framed is, Aman has more pens than others. So, in this way, you have to also frame sentences from these 3 words. We have read the story. Now, I will explain you the story with the help of the pictures. So, let's start. Colored pencils. The children are in class. As you can see in the picture, the children are sitting in the classroom. They can count pencils. Anoop has 2 pencils. Chetana has 1 pencil. Karan has 9 pencils. As you can see in the picture, Anoop is standing with 2 pencils in his hand and Chetana is standing with 1 pencil in her hand. Karan has 9 pencils, some in his hands and some in his pockets. Karan has many pencils. Anoop and Chetana are sad. They have fewer pencils. Karan has more pencils. Karan gives Anoop 2 pencils. He gives Chetana 3 pencils. Now all the children have 4 pencils each. As Karan shared his pencils with Anoop and Chetana, all children have 4 pencils now. With this, we come to an end of our story. Let's answer some questions. Who am I? Here are some sentences given. You have to read that sentences and recognize who is this. So, I will read the sentences. You write the answer. The first sentence is, I had 9 pencils. Who is this? Yes, write it. The second is, I had 2 pencils. And the third one is, I had only 1 pencil. Okay, I hope you have written all 3 answers. Now, let's check your answers. Let's check the answers. The first sentence is, I had 9 pencils. Who is this? Yes, Karan. The second is, I had 2 pencils. Anoop. Third sentence is, I had only 1 pencil. And the answer is Chetana. Let's move towards the question and answers. The first question here is, why do you think Karan gave Anoop and Chetana pencils? The second question is, what do we learn from the story? Now, let's check the answers. The first question was, why do you think Karan gave Anoop and Chetana pencils? And the answer is, I think Karan gave pencils to Anoop and Chetana because they were sad. Here is the second question. What do we learn from the story? The answer is, we learn to share things with others from the story. If you think you have learned something different, you can also add it in your answer. Now, let's move towards the activity. The activity for you is word search colors. Means you have to find out the names of colors from these puzzles. The names of colors are given below, such as black, blue, brown, green, orange, pink, red, white and yellow. Write down these names of colors because you have to find them from the puzzles. I will repeat the names of colors once again. Black, blue, brown, green, orange, pink, red, white and yellow. I hope you have written down the names of colors. Here is the puzzle. Now you have to find out the names of colors from this puzzle. I have found 2 names for you. As first is black. In the upper line at the top you can see BLACK, black. And after that the second color name also I have found for you. In the fourth line, the last 4 words you can see BLUE, B-L-U-E. So, blue. So these two words I have found for you. In the same way, you have to also find the names of other colors from this puzzle. I hope you have found some more names of colors till now. For example, beside blue, we can see one more name of the color. In the third line also, I can see one more name of the color. Yes, very good. In the last line also, there is one name of the color. So, in this way, I hope you find all the names of the colors. Now, let's see what's your homework for today. Your homework for today is write about your sharing experience. Means in the story you saw Karan shared his pencils with Chetana and Anoop. In the same way, you must have been also shared some things at some time. So you have to write that only, such as when did you share, what did you share, and with whom did you share. I hope everyone will write their sharing experience. Thank you. I hope you liked the story Colored Pencils.